Hey, what's going on, guys? Back with you with another review video, and we have a nice little packaging here. This is going to be for the Klarus, if I'm pronouncing that right, FX10 1000 lumens flashlight, tactical flashlight. You guys know that if power goes out, you need a reliable bright light, camping bright light, backpacking trip. You guys get the idea. Even searching around a dark garage if you don't have proper lighting, many useful cases for this. It's compact, it's not very expensive, and you definitely need one. And this has a beautiful, large, rechargeable battery with it. Without further ado, let's see what we got. Okay, let's see what we have. Battery is included with this, which is absolutely stunning. Let's go ahead and pull it on out and see what we got. We are empty inside the compartment there with a holder, which is fantastic, with a belt clip. Velcro, attach that to your belt. Latch that on. You even have a little hook right here if you want to go ahead and carabiner hook that to a backpack. Velcro's up like this. Inside, we have a nice little wrist strap as well, and a micro USB to USB, and that looks like a solid 2-foot cord or so ballpark cable there. Again, a wrist strap that goes around the bottom of the flashlight, and of course puts on your wrist like this with adjustable little strap right there. We have what looks to be an additional seal, which is great for probably your battery compartment there. Our instruction manual and our flashlight, which feels phenomenal. This is not your cheap little Walmart type of dooly-dally. This is a solid tactical flashlight right there. FX10 looks absolutely fantastic. Beautiful LED bulb right there. And here's where you would charge. You would plug it in right there. Flips up like that to expose the micro USB port. Go ahead and recharge it right there. That latches down because, of course, this is weatherproof. On the bottom here, we have a little clicky button. That might be for SOS, or if you want to give a couple little flashes there. Here, we have a push-in button, but of course, we do need to turn the flashlight on first. We do have a belt clip right here that's actually mounted on the flashlight, which is great. Before we can turn it on, we probably need to take off a plastic piece that is preventing the battery. Yep, right here. This is what most companies do, so that it does not wear a battery down during storage. Once that is removed, go ahead and screw that back on. Before we do screw that back on, I do want to show you the battery. It is a 2600 milliamp battery. Very nice. Goes in where the negative flat part is right there. Let's go ahead and screw that back on here. And now we can fire it up right there. And of course, we will get some nighttime shots there. We look like we have super bright as it just powered on crazy. Well, I'm going to go ahead and hit it again. It dims just a little bit, dims again, and then super bright again. So bright, we got semi, bright, semi, and then dim there, and you hold it down to turn it off. Now on the bottom here, take a look at this, guys. We have this what looks to be a push button. Did you guys see that? How awesome is that? You push it in, boom, it just flickers real good. So you could do like SOS or something like that. And then, okay, we have a little push button in, and that would just fire it up real good. And then, so that's like a quick on and off button. I guess you have two different power buttons there. And that is great. Also, that little nice little push down thing there, you could just really just kind of go like this, like a tactical. And this is great for military or police enforcement here, because you literally could have your gun like this. Obviously, this is how they do the FBI, like this. You have your gun and your flashlight, and you're like this. You're all bop, 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 bop. So airsoft, paintball at nighttime, you guys got the idea. Just absolutely fantastic. This belt clip right here would detach. It's on a nice little pin like that. You would just pull that off if you didn't want that on there. Let's go ahead and get rid of that right there. Get that out of there. Overall, a nice, beautiful little handle here. Coming over, just a gorgeous looking flashlight, guys. I'm really impressed with the quality of these flashlights. And here's some technical specs that I'm going to go ahead and just show you guys here. I won't talk about them. That might take too long, but you guys can pause the video and just read these here. We have turbo, high, medium, low, strobe, SOS. And there it talks about the lumens, all that runtime right there, spotlight beam. You guys get the idea. I'm going to go back it up just a little bit. There's some more instructions there. Adjustable focus, floodlight, spotlight, which we haven't tried yet. Obviously a lot better at nighttime, but I will show you here. So you twist the top of the flashlight here, and as you can see, it goes whoop, and then you close it down for more of a spot type thing like that. and then you rotate it again counterclockwise, opens up, and then you rotate it to the right, and then it kind of narrows in a nice little hole there. And here are some more specs for you that you probably do want to look at right here. Max beam distance 300 meters, 1000 lumens of course, 260 hours max runtime. We have 22,500 CD peak beam intensity. We got 1 meter impact resistance, and we have waterproof up to IPX8, 2 meters. How wonderful is that? Again, 6 feet, IPX8. You probably don't want to leave it underwater, but you can drop it into about 6 feet of water, 2 meters, 3 feet per meter, 2 meters, 6 feet. And if you guys didn't see these specs, here is the weight optical system. Go ahead and pause that and go ahead and read that yourself there. It talks about material, accessories, clips, dimensions, etc. Okay, for this portion of the video, I'm going to be showing you my garage. We're going to go ahead and cut these lights, and I want to show you the distance and how bright it can be. This wall right here to the garage door is 40 feet. But we do have an additional all the way back here, probably 6 feet or so. So we're actually going to back it up. We're going to cut out the lights completely. It's going to go black for a little bit. And we're going to go ahead and show you the different modes on the flashlight. Okay, let's go ahead and cut this one here. And right now we're ballpark about 44 feet from that garage door up there. Let me go ahead, and this is, I believe, the medium mode. Let me click it one more time. Okay, this is the super bright mode. Lights that up. Look at how bright that is. And in person, it's just as bright or brighter. Absolutely fantastic. We're about 44 feet away, lighting up that garage all over the place here. Let's go ahead and cut it down to the lower setting. That's right underneath the super bright, which is still really bright. Let's go ahead and kick it down again. That's our third click, and one more click. That's the lowest setting there. We click it back up to the super bright setting. Let's go ahead and try with one hand. We'll go ahead and use kind of the flood function of it. And again, that's more of like a flood function, and then you kind of zero it in, twisting to the right, and then it's kind of just straight on like that. That's a great option to have for more of a wider range. If you're hiking, go ahead and twist it back over to the left, and you can go ahead and shine really nicely. Gonna go ahead and use the function of fast clicker here. So let's see, we're gonna go ahead and hit that back button there. It's really cool. So 1, 2, boom, 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 kind of a strobe light. And then we're gonna go ahead and hold it down, and it strobes. As you hold it down, it strobes, and then you let it go, and then it should wind down there, or you have to click it one more time to end it. And then again, if you want to do a fast, just press it, click it one time, and it'll do a fast strobe. So you can go like, yo, over here. Very nice flashlight, guys. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Hopefully it has helped you make an informed decision whether you want to purchase an item like this or this particular one. If you do, in the description box below is going to be the link for this exact same product. You guys over in the UK, I will link this same one if they sell it in the UK, if not one very similar to it. You guys in the US, of course, your link is right up top. UK, you guys are just below that one. I will see you guys on the next review. My name is Chris. Take care. Bye-bye.